Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In Live, open Preferences to link MIDI and ensure that Show Link Toggle is selected. 3. Then enable link by clicking its button on the far left of Live's control bar. If there are any other link-enabled devices on the same network, their count will be displayed here.
Take our lead.
Create a hyperlink to a location on the web. Press Ctrl+K. You can also right-click the text or picture and click Link on the shortcut menu. In the Insert Hyperlink box, type or paste your link in the address box. Note: if you don't see the address box, make sure existing file or web page is selected under Link to.
Let's help you make your mark.
You'll be able to install it as many times as you like, but you can only have 2 machines authorized at any one time. So if you want to work on a third machine, you'll have to deauthorize one of the first 2.
Let's help you make your mark.
This means you can use some high-level Mac music apps, like Logic Pro 10 and Ableton Live, on the iPad. There are a couple of catches, but it's easy to use. In fact, Sidecar is so good that using Mac apps on the iPad like this is actually a viable, sensible option.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can I use my copy of Ableton on 2 computers simultaneously? You may install on 2 machines, but can only run on 1 machine at a time. If you want to run on 2 machines simultaneously, you need 2 licenses.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.